Let's get this straight. This is not jerk chicken. It's baked chicken seasoned with a jerk marinade to mimic the taste of jerk. Nice? Yes. Real jerk? No. Jerk is not just seasoning, it's a whole method. Jerk means cooking meat slow and low over an open flame, letting the smoke, heat, and seasoning come together to build that deep, smoky flavor. You cannot jerk meat in an oven. You can season it like jerk, but the essential smoking method is missing. Baking chicken with jerk marinade gives a delicious flavor inspired by jerk, but it is not jerk, it is baked chicken. Now, when it comes to seasoning for jerk, you have two options. Jerk marinade, which is wet. Homemade is best. Trust me, store-bought ones usually mash up the meat. Too much salt, too much pepper, even the so-called mild ones. Jerk dry rub, just a spice mix you rub straight onto the meat. Making it yourself gives you control, more flavor, less burn-up. So next time you hear oven jerk, just know it's seasoned like jerk, but it's really baked chicken with jerk flavor. Let's keep the authentication of the Jamaican cuisine.